guys, so we are today in the Uluwatu Temple and this is the first day when it's finally open for tourism. And yeah,
it's normally in this month like July, August, holiday season where so many people in Uluwatu Temple to watch the Kecak dance. So the Kecak dance is famous here in Uluwatu Temple, but now it's just reopened. As you see, not many people here.
I could say it's nobody here.
There's nobody here. Not many. Nobody actually.
Actually,
only
at this spot is nobody, only we and the monkeys.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's how it is. We will explore more and we will show you around how it looks like.
Yeah, and then we will see where is the place where normally Kecak dance, and then let's check it out later on how it is.
We are at the front of the area where is the Kecak dance all the time, but unfortunately it's closed.
It's closed. Normally will be so many people are in queue to go there. That's the stage actually behind me here. This is the entrance. That's the stage actually over there.
Somewhere over there, yeah. This one, yeah.
So where 100 even almost more than hundreds, maybe 1,000 people
around
just
1,000.
sitting and watching the Kecak dance to face the sunset view over there.
And this is actually the time because it's 5 o'clock. Sorry for my eyes, but I just hide my sunglasses because of so many monkeys and I already lost once. And I don't want to lose again.
Look at the king monkeys over there.
Yeah. Oh, here. I will zoom it.
You see, this is the entrance to go to the stage, and then look how it is. This is they prepare for the new normal later on. And space. So from one person to another person will be the space. So you cannot squeeze up like this.
Moreover, please do not pick the monkey unattended. Our officer. Please dispose your rubbish into the place. This outside area of Uluwatu Temple is free of plastic waste. Thank you for your attention.
Here is the space. So whenever you are in the queue buying the tickets over there to watch the Kecak dance, this is the space where you have to stand up.
So over there is the Kecak dance stage. I will zoom it for you guys. Alright, so we are already nearly on the top of the Uluwatu Temple.
Yeah.
And as you can see around, is nobody here actually, not even as is not many people is
Just nobody.
at this time is 5 something. It's supposed to be as many people as you have to wait in the queue to have a good spot for picture. Now we are just only the one, and it's quite sad, right?
Yeah.
Because whenever we was here, I've been like a few times, was always so many people in the past few years, but now it's just...
Yeah, normally like this time, sunset time, lots of people, but nowadays,
Yeah.
even it's just reopened, nobody here.
Yeah. So this is the lifetime experience, and enjoy the view from our video. Alright, so this our tour around the temple is finished, I guess. It's sunset time, and as you can see, it's really quiet. And only people, I mean not people, but somebody is here, is there a lot of monkeys, and even one monkey wants to do something to Winnie, but I was busy recording.
Trying to jump on me, and then maybe you want to make a selfie with me, I don't know. Alright, so I think that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. From the beginning, we are here in Uluwatu Temple. We just want to say that it's quiet, even it's just reopened.
Yeah.
And then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe us. Everybody, every video is starting at 7 p.m.
Bali time, GMT +8. So like always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and see you tomorrow. Bye. I think This is the expert. Don't try this at home. Thank you. This monkey has a full bottle of cola.